Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Nissan Navara D40 RX dual cab chassis ute, stock reference number 4652. This shape runs from the first month 2007 through to the 5th month 2010. It has a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, radiator grille, factory fitted steel bull bar with all bolts and brackets, including the spotlights, left hand headlight, factory snorkel. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre, front door has multiple dents, left rear door only has one small dent, left manual door mirror, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, factory steel tray with all fittings. Does have a couple of little dents here and there. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, manual window reg type. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey vinyl centre console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, left sun visor, interior mirror, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.